If you thought luxury SUVs couldn't get more opulent, think again. The 2025 Range Rover SV doesn't just redefine what a high-end SUV feels like. It practically turns every drive into a first-class experience. With a whisper-quiet cabin, handcrafted interiors, and technology that feels straight out of a luxury jet. This SUV isn't just about comfort, it's about status and serenity. But here's the real kicker. This might just be the smoothest driving full-size SUV ever made. So today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new 2025 Range Rover SV to see if it truly deserves its crown as the king of luxury SUVs. The Range Rover SV, short for Special Vehicle Operations, represents the absolute peak of British luxury craftsmanship. Land Rover has always balanced rugged capability with refined style, but this time, they've gone all in on pure luxury. The 2025 model year brings some of the most significant updates we've ever seen, both inside and out, as Range Rover aims to take on heavy hitters like the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, the Bentley Bentayga, and even the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This isn't your average luxury SUV. It's designed for those who want the prestige of a private jet, but prefer to travel on four wheels. Starting at around $135,000, the SV isn't just transportation, it's a statement. Built on the latest MLA Flex platform, the SV blends cutting-edge engineering with elegant, minimalistic design. And here in the US, this launch couldn't come at a better time. Luxury SUV demand is sky-high, especially in states like California, Texas, and Florida, where buyers are trading in sedans for high riding comfort and commanding road presence. So, what exactly makes this Range Rover so special? Let's break it all down. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Range Rover SV looks unmistakably like a Range Rover, clean, timeless, and stately. But look a little closer and you'll notice subtle details that set it apart. The SV exclusive two-tone paint options, available in over 14 hand-finished combinations, are meticulously polished for over 16 hours instead of traditional chrome. The SV gets ceramic finished accents on the grille, side vents, and badges, giving it a more refined, modern aesthetic. Add in the massive 23-inch forged wheels, the new digital LED headlights, and that signature floating roofline, and you've got one of the most elegant full-size SUVs ever designed. Now, step inside, and this is where the SV really flexes its muscles. The cabin feels like a private lounge on wheels. Soft closed doors greet you, and the first thing you notice is the craftsmanship: natural wood veneers, ceramic switchgear, and semi-aniline leather that's smoother than most designer handbags. In the back, the Executive Class Comfort Plus seats recline up to 40 degrees and include massage functions, heated calf rests, and even deployable footrests. Between them, a refrigerated compartment keeps your champagne chilled, while a touchscreen-controlled tablet lets passengers adjust lighting, seat position, and temperature, all with a tap. This isn't just luxury, it's serenity redefined. Tech-wise, the SV gets Range Rover's latest 13.1-inch curved Pivi Pro touchscreen, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa built right in. There's also a fully digital 13.7-inch driver display, and the 29-speaker Meridian signature sound system that literally turns the cabin into a concert hall. And here's a fun fact: it uses microphones in the wheel arches to actively cancel out road noise. That means even when you're doing 70 on the freeway, the cabin stays library-quiet. Under the hood, buyers get to options: a 523 horsepower twin-turbo V8, or a plug-in hybrid setup with up to 540 horsepower and 40 miles of electric-only range. Despite weighing over 3 tons, it hits 0 to 60 in just 4.3 seconds. That's serious performance for a vehicle this size. But what's even more impressive is how it feels. The adaptive air suspension makes bumps practically disappear, and with rear-wheel steering, tight turns are effortless. Of course, it's still a true Range Rover at heart, meaning it can go off-road with train response to automatically adjusting to mud, sand, or snow. So yes, this thing can conquer a mountain trail in total silence and comfort. Pricing starts at around $135,000. But if you start adding bespoke options and custom finishes, expect that number to climb past $270,000. It's an elite SUV for an elite audience. All right. Let's talk about what makes the SV truly shine, and where it still falls short. Highlights first. Number 1. Ride comfort. Thanks to that air suspension and noise cancellation system, this SUV glides over the road like it's floating. Number 2, interior craftsmanship. Every inch is hand-finished, from the ceramic controls to the seat stitching. Number 3, luxury with capability. It's one of the only ultra-luxury SUVs that can actually handle off-road trails. Number 4, endless customization. From paint colors to embroidery, everything can be tailored to the owner's taste. And number 5, technology. The infotainment system, the sound setup, the comfort features, all feel ahead of their time. Now for the drawbacks. First, the price. Even in the luxury world, it's a hefty tag. Second, fuel economy. That V8 loves gas. Third, the tech, while powerful, can feel a little overwhelming at first. And lastly, reliability. Range Rover has improved, but its long-term reputation still makes some buyers cautious still. If you can afford it, the SV delivers something few cars ever do: peace, prestige, and performance all in one package. So, is the 2025 Range Rover SV worth it? If what you value most is effortless comfort, quiet luxury, and the kind of presence that turns heads everywhere you go, then yes, absolutely. This isn't a car that shouts. It whispers money if you're deciding between trims. The P615 V8 offers the best mix of power and smoothness. But if you prefer efficiency, the plug-in hybrid SVP550e might be your better pick, especially for city driving, where the electric-only range really shines. Now, if reliability or simplicity are higher on your list, you might want to cross-shop with something like the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, but truthfully, nothing else combines luxury, design, and capability quite like the Range Rover SV. It's not just an SUV. It's a statement of taste and restraint in a world obsessed with flash. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews every single week. And let me know down below, would you pick the new Range Rover SV? Or go with the Bentley Bentayga or the Maybach GLS instead? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.